like to tell you, ma'am, I learned English alphabets in class 6. In class 6. And I did my entire education, like graduation, post graduation from Hindi medium. If I talk about my experience, teaching experience, and my journey, so it was very rewarding for me because I had a great career. I also like a topper of my school and college. Want to do it. I never give up in my life, and that's the reason I raised my child as a single parent. And that every year I used to visit my son's place. 6 months I spent there, and 6 months in India, 6 months in US, like that. So nowadays I am not doing anything but just.
Hello, Pramila ji. Good
Hello.
afternoon. How are you doing?
Good. I'm great. What about yours?
Yes, I'm also doing pretty well, and I'm excited and thrilled to connect with you and to talk so many things because your experience, your insights will certainly be very helpful for all the viewers and for me too. So it would be better that you tell me something about yourself.
So, a very bright good afternoon to you, ma'am. And then today I am like feeling ecstatic. It was my dream. Since January, I was watching your videos and I am waiting for that. And I was thinking always how to connect, ma'am. Will madam accept my invitation or not? But you just accepted. So I am over the moon, you can say.
Thank
I'm
you.
feeling very glad. So, yeah, in my introduction, I belong from Madhya Pradesh, and I am a retired teacher. I have done my master's in Hindi literature and
Mhm.
sociology, and I served my Vidyalaya at least 25 years. And due to COVID, I taken VRS.
Okay, you took
Due to
VRS?
some,
Okay, all
yeah,
right. It means you are in government job.
yeah.
Okay.
So
Fine.
yeah, but yeah, I enjoyed my journey, and till date, I want to learn something each and every day because you are very much familiar about teachers' journey. When we not learn anything, then we feel, oh, there is no existence of our life. We want
Right,
to
right,
learn each and every day.
right, right,
So
right.
yeah,
And I have interviewed so many teachers. I don't know how, but teachers, most of the teachers, they send me an email to connect with me. And I also feel elated when I connect with the teachers because I feel that we are from the same community. We have done the same thing
yeah,
in the past, and probably some of them are still doing the same thing. So we love
yeah,
to discuss certain things because our mind, our field of working, everything actually matches. Yeah. So
right, right.
that is the thing.
And
So,
especially, I'm like a big fan of your smile.
okay, thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It means a lot. If you are a fan of anything, that means a lot. Yeah. Okay, Pramila ji. So let me also tell my viewers, those who are going to watch for the first time
Yeah.
this video maybe. So let me also tell about myself in short. I'm Manju Mishra from Lucknow. And as you are a teacher, so I have also dedicated my 35 years of career to the field of education as a teacher. But for the past 3 years, I have been taking online classes. I'm retired now. So no more formal teacher like in working in a school, but still I'm very much connected to the teaching. And I'm a not only teaching enthusiast, actually I'm a learning enthusiast too. So what I feel is that when I teach someone, I also learn something. And that is what, as you also told, that when teachers do not learn something, they feel that their day is somewhere incomplete. So, something we need to learn and we want to learn. It's not only about English, about anything, anything. So I'm also a teaching enthusiast, and now I spend my time after retirement just by conducting online spoken English classes where I train my learners. Somewhere I just build their confidence, I can say, because most of them, they are working professionals. Okay, so they already know to some extent, but their hesitation, somewhere they want to build their confidence. Somewhere they want that if they make somewhere mistakes, if the feedback is given to them, some corrections are given to them, so maybe they can improve a little more. So that's how I'm just making my days fruitful. and learning from them more than what I'm teaching them or I'm imparting them. I feel that I'm learning from them. And that's how I'm spending my quality time. Actually, I feel when I take classes, when I take sessions, even when I connect people like you, I feel that I'm doing something productive. I'm not simply watching TV or gossiping with the society ladies, something, but I'm always busy doing something positive, something creative. So I'm happy. And I'm fond of listening to music and gardening. I have a very small, beautiful family of 5 people: my husband, me, my son, my daughter, and my son in law. This is, in short, about me. And
Great.
let's cut to the chase and just dive into the conversation. I know that I have many things to ask, but before I start asking so many questions, if you have anything in your mind, Pramila ji, certainly you can ask. I give my guests first priority today because you are
Yeah.
a teacher. Otherwise, when people join with nervousness and they feel that how can I start my conversation, usually I start and I give them a little time to relax and to understand me. Okay. But I don't have to give you that relaxation because you are familiar with me, you know me. Okay. So if you have anything
So
in your mind, please.
I would like to ask only one thing. What's the secret of your charming personality? So I
This
will
you should
follow
tell
this.
me. This I think you should tell me that what is the secret of my smile and my charming face, if you say. See, it is God gifted. I feel that it is God gifted. God has created us differently. Some always look to the brighter side of the life. Some always look to the darker side of the life. So I am one of them. I always look at the brighter side of my life. Okay. And because of that, I always feel happy. I don't feel like people send me comments that, ma'am, you haven't invited so and so XYZ, somebody who is very fluent and a smart speaker or public speaker. But honestly speaking, I get so many invitations that I don't get time to invite anybody. I feel that those who have already sent me email, let me first cater those emails, let me entertain those people first. And I don't care that beginner is there or intermediate level learner is there or somebody is advanced speaker in front of me. I enjoy every session, every session. And because of that, I feel that maybe that smile, that charm, once you are happy from within, that reflects on your face, your personality. This is what I personally feel because I have seen people in my family itself, those who are like somewhere, always they try to find out the negative part of everything. Like if maybe I'm connecting with you in place of learning something, in place of looking forward to have something positive, if I start thinking like, oh, maybe she is from a government teacher, I don't know. So why to think about that? I never think that. I feel that everything, whatever is there on my plate, that is something fruitful, that is something positive. And because of that, I stay happy. I stay. I hardly I feel hurt. Hardly, because I think one who is trying to hurt me is creating some problem for himself or herself, not for me. This is what I feel.
Right.
Yes. Anything you want to add?
Just my desire was only for that. So I want to know about your personality, your smile, and how you are like enjoying your retired life. So it's a great motivation for we guys because we all are sailing in the same boat,
Same boat,
all
right?
retired.
Right.
So it's you are doing a great job for all retired
Yes,
persons
so
because they
that's the reason when I received your email and I saw that Pramila ji is a retired teacher, I felt like this is the best opportunity. Let me grab this opportunity to converse with a retired teacher, two retired teachers sitting together in one frame and going to discuss something. At least if we don't talk about English, we will certainly talk about our experience, which people do not learn in any university. It is learned with
yeah.
age, with facing
And
all.
you are
Yeah.
yeah, you are like igniting the fire of learning in all the
This is your greatness that you feel so. Actually, here I would like to, yeah, please, Pramila.
you deserve it.
Thank,
You
thank
deserve
you.
it.
Thank you so much if you feel so. It's actually, I always feel those who appreciate me that nobody can appreciate if you are not great by heart. If you
Right,
are
exactly.
appreciating someone, if you are appreciating someone, if you are finding something good in someone, it means you are good at that. Okay.
Absolutely.
So
I
you
am
are a
completely
beautiful soul and you are finding everything beautiful in others also. Okay. Nice to
right.
hear from you. And really, okay, Pramila ji, so many things I have in my mind to discuss with you because you have also experienced many batches, many teachers, many types of principals. Yes. And they were the part of our everyday's life for you and me both. So I just want to hear from you. Do you have any such memory with any principal? Principal means when I talk about head of the institution. Okay. If in some of the schools, maybe if only vice principal is running, then also it's fine. Okay. But yeah, as a boss, do you have any special memories which you want to share? Because always we feel that the head of the institution and the staff working under him or her, there is a bitter relationship. This is always, maybe they don't show it in front of the boss, but it is somewhere bitter experience. But I had a lovely time with all my principals. Great time, actually. So I want to hear from you. Do you want to share any memorable event, or what type of relations did you have in your past?
Sure. So if I talk about my experience, teaching experience and my journey, so it was very rewarding for me. Because I would like to tell you, ma'am, I learned English alphabets in class 6. In class 6. And
Mm.
I did my entire education like graduation, post graduation from Hindi medium.
Mm.
But uh, from my childhood,
Mm.
I was very passionate about this language, and
Mm.
I had a dream. I want to be a fluent speaker one day. Still, I am on that process. I am not fluent. I don't have a like a fluency in my conversation, but I want to be, and I feel it's a great time for me because I am free. So
Right.
I don't have to do anything. So I totally like devoted myself
Mhm.
to indulge in this learning in this language because I'm a parent and my son is in settled in USA. He is working there and I have only one son and I raised my child like a self dependent. I never did anything for my son. All like every time he learned by observing me what my mom is doing. I never forced him do homework, learn this, try to get more marks like that. Automatically, because I had a great career. I also like a topper of my school and college and every time. So he always like observe me and moving ahead in his life. And by the blessings of you, people like you, he is in USA and he is working in a topmost company. And I am feeling to be a mother of my son. And I'm feeling very proud to express these things, to explain this to you. So today is a great day for me because I was waiting one day I will tell you someone all my achievements, what I did. Because when I joined my school, that time I was not able to teach English to the students because I have done my masters in Hindi literature and sociology. But my dream, I want to teach English to the students. So in this way, I will also learn from them. And I request every time my principal, HM, vice principal, please provide me English, any class. So I want to learn and I want to teach the students. So in this way, I learned a lot and I gathered the confidence That's why I am sitting in front of you. But still, I want to learn more, because always there is a room for improvement.
Undoubtedly.
Nobody is perfect. Nobody is perfect. So in this age also, I want to learn something. If I would be, then I feel proud. So once my principals are, so ma'am, you have done your masters in Hindi literature, how can we provide you English? It's a matter of students future. So I
Right.
told them, I assure you, you will never feel your students miss anything from my side. I will try my level best, I assure you. And principal like believe in me, and they provide me, and day by day, my reputation in school, everybody known myself like a English teacher, not a Hindi teacher.
Right.
Because I improved my handwriting also. Whenever my son was studying in primary classes, so there are cursive handwriting books. So I practice. When he completed, then after that I rubbed all the pages and I started practicing how to make cursive letters and all. And now I am feeling proud. My handwriting is very beautiful, you know.
So nice.
I want to make my conversation also beautiful. That's why I am here in front of you. I want to learn so many things from you. Because my grammar at the phase of grammar, like I am weak. My grammar is not too much strong. I
Okay.
made so many mistakes. But yeah, I feel I have the confidence because I am a teacher. I know every fluent speaker makes mistake. But the
So
matter is
true.
because they speak so confidently, so we can't identify where they are making mistakes, and we feel, oh, they are a fluent speaker. But the thing is, always they also make mistakes. So I feel, oh, I am also confident. If I make mistakes, no problem. I will eradicate tomorrow and day after
Yes.
tomorrow.
Right,
I am
right,
in the
right.
process of learning. So yeah, this way I am enjoying my journey. And in my school also, every teacher, one day what happened? There was a board exams were going on. So
Mhm.
12th class. So the invigilation team entered in the room, and all the students, I taught them in the primary classes. So
Mhm.
they were writing their papers in a beautiful handwriting. So invigilator and all this, they asked, why in this room all the students are writing so nicely, their handwriting is like that.
Okay.
And they said, sir, it is the pride, pride goes to one of our school teacher, Pramila Jain. And so that time I feel, oh my god, I
Yes.
am on the seventh heaven, you know. i I
It's
never
really
imagined.
rewarding. It's rewarding if some students acknowledge your efforts, then
Yeah.
don't we feel that we are on cloud nine? Because
Yeah.
very, very
and
difficult to get appreciation from our students.
And till that, ma'am, students are in like IIT, they are working in different MNC companies. Till date, they connect with me, ma'am. What you taught, nobody can teach us.
Wow. Wow. I
So
must say, wow.
I feel very proud because I'm not deserving all these comments, but I don't know. God gives me the strength, and I did it. You know, so I am feeling very, very proud. But
Right.
only, yeah, I want to learn this language. I want to become fluent. So that's why I'm looking nowadays. I'm watching so many conversational videos and listening English podcasts. And I am little bit interested in motivational speakers. So I listen motivational speakers also. And I watch most of the time your videos, your short videos, your vocabulary regarding videos, your conversational videos, and how you motivate the people, how you inspire the people. So I'm just sitting in front of you. So shower your blessings and
Oh
all the.
my word. Please, please don't pamper me so much. Yes, we are in the same boat actually. So and we have lived our life. If we
Yeah,
really if we think deeply, then I feel that I have lived my life. Now I'm just enjoying my bonus life. I must say bonus life because after retirement, this life is just bonus life. And that also, if you cherish, it means God has blessed you abundantly, isn't it? So as
right.
as you said that you were the reason for the students to improve their writing. I also want to take one of my principal's name here. She's still alive, Sister Gemma. And whenever she used to take demo of any of the teachers or interview of any of the teachers, her first thing is she used to check the writing. And if writing is not up to her level, what she expects, then she used to give us classes after classes to improve our handwriting. It's not only about one or two, most of the teachers. So for certain letters, she taught me also. She told me, Manju, you have a brilliant writing. You have a flow of writing. You write in cursive, but the formation of F needs to be improved. The formation of
Yeah.
P, small p, needs improvement. So I learned from her a lot. And she was such kind of principal, like she would give you some negative remarks also with positive vibe. First, she would tell you something about your greatness. Like I was taking round, Manju, and I found your class was quietly sitting and you were dictating them. I was pleased to see the discipline in the class. And then she would come to the minute correction which she wants to give. So that is how she corrected all of us. And all the teachers who worked under Sister Gemma, we became really, really, I must say, in our field, we became gem because of Sister Gemma. Today also, we
Great, great.
remember, we did not mind working till late night because we wanted to prove the next day. Tomorrow is a competition. There were five
Yeah.
sections in each class, and all the sections, all the teachers, they wanted her section to be on the top. So nobody left any stone unturned in order to polish their kids, in order to polish their students. And I was also one of them. Although I received Best Teachers Award every day, every year. So I wanted to prove that my class should stand somewhere on top because the certificate which I have received, it needs to be shown in work. It is not only that paper is somewhere kept inside. So then I also used to put in lots of hard work. And students till date, they remember that, ma'am, gone those days when you were there in the campus.
Yeah, exactly.
Labor never
True.
goes in vain. If we have put in hard work, that will be acknowledged either by the students or by the principals or by your colleagues or anybody. And more than anything, I think we feel self-satisfied. That matters
Right.
a lot. That matters a lot.
There's a lot. I agree with you. Yeah.
Yes, because whenever, like, I also know once I was given, the teacher was on maternity leave, so I was given to teach physics. Okay, just
Okay.
in class 6. Okay,
Yeah.
just for few days, and I was, an art student, and physics is to be taught. Although we all studied till class 10, so physics was there in my mind, but I was not sure to explain how to explain by coming to the level of class 6 students, because physics, chemistry, and biology, these are three different papers for them for the first time in class 6. Till class 5, they used to study as science, one subject, but physics and then chemistry and biology. I used to prepare the chapters at home. I used to read 2 times, 3 times, and then I used to ask my children, my own children, please, if your teacher explained, can you explain it to me? And that's how I taught in the class. And students were really surprised that how well you explained. As you used to explain English, you explained physics also in the same way. So where there is a will, there is a way. We all can learn and can teach. And teachers are always students. So we have been doing the same, learning and then imparting knowledge.
Right, right, right.
Yes. Yes. So you said that you started learning English in class 6. Alphabets, ABCD,
Yes.
whereas children learn in pre-nursery. Today they learn in pre-nursery when they are somewhere 2.5 or somewhere approaching 3. Then they learn ABCD. You started in
Right.
6. Although I started from class 1 only. I never studied at nursery KG. I did not know those days nursery KG classes.
Yeah.
We straight away started from class 1. So I was also one of them. But yes, English was the part from class 1 itself. But I remember my father used to say that he started his English from class 6. And when he was in
Oh,
class 8, he used to write letters in English. So within 2 years, how much he grabbed, how much he learned. And that was an inspiration for us, that even though we started from class 1, when we reached to class 5 and 6, somewhere whatever teachers used to give on the board, that only we were learning. Actually, the fact is that later we understood that why are we mugging up everything, why can't we write the same thing in our own words. Actually, teachers also never told us that you can express this in your own words too. So we always had this in our mind: if I'll write something on my own, maybe teacher will reduce some marks, I will not get full marks. If I write what teacher has given 100%, if I write the same, I don't leave even comma, full stop and semicolon, anything, then I'll get full marks. This was there in our mind. But when I reached in class 8, I understood that no, mugging up is not going to work. Now we have to write something in our own words, because so
right,
many things we had to learn, and how many things we can just learn by heart. It wasn't easy. Okay, so you
right.
started in class 6. So which strategy actually worked for you? How did you pick it up so fast? Because starting in 6 means so many things in your syllabus. It's not only about alphabets. Maybe in class 7, straight away stories and everything. Is it
So
that?
in that time, yeah, in that time in sixth class, I learned writing English alphabets, and after that, slowly, slowly, my father was in like OPM department, narcotics, central
Mm-hmm.
government employee.
Mm-hmm.
So like he was like a fluent speaker. He is no more, but yeah, so his impact on me, and I was always eager to learn every day from my father. I want to be like you. So he said, keep patience. Overnight nothing changes, and you can't learn, like Rome was not built in a day, so you can't learn everything in one single day. You have to keep patience, and you have to wait. Slowly and gradually you will be.
You
And
will
now
learn it.
I'm, yeah, yeah. So it was my journey like that, and I'm very, by my nature, I'm very like you can say, very diligent
Mm-hmm.
and dedicated towards my goal. Every time whatever I want, I just do it. Want to do it. I never give up in my life, and that's the reason I raised my child as a single parent, and I provided whatever I want
You
in
wanted to.
my life. Yeah.
I
So
salute.
yeah.
Actually, it's not only that you should be saluted. Actually, your parents, I want to salute your parents, that what way they raised you, that you had guts and you had courage to raise a child. And you said that you did not teach them by ordering anything, or teach him actually by saying something. He observed you, the way you behave, the way, and he might have read that what my mother wants, what is
Yeah,
the deepest desire of my mother from me,
right,
and that's how he might have started working towards that.
right, exactly.
So a little sacrifice when children are small, if we do, then later see the way you are feeling, proud today that your son is in one of the topmost MNCs. He is working in USA, in the USA.
Right,
Right, right.
right.
So I had so many things that I will ask this and I will ask that. To hear your story, I forgot everything. That what shall I ask? I was thinking that I'll take some topic and then we'll discuss something. Half an hour got over and we could not discuss anything. We just discussed our life. You shared, yes.
What happens when two teachers meet? Then this happens every
This
time
happens,
because
yes. We go deep down into teaching and we start talking about our school days. So you left
right,
like 4 years back, if I'm not wrong.
2021,
21. So
21.
nearly 4 years, 4 years back.
Yeah, right.
So how do you spend your time now? Do you do anything? Do you take tuitions or something?
Yeah, a little bit like 1 year I have been taken tuitions, but
Mm.
after that, every year I used to visit my son's place. So 6 months I spent there, and 6 months in India, 6 months in US, like that. So nowadays I am not doing anything, but just I am feeling little bit alone, and feeling something uh, loneliness and what to do. So I started watching conversational videos because I am very big fan of English. So I think I have to do something in this field. So I just started watching, and yeah, I'm enjoying in watching, and I am feeling like I want to talk with someone. So just like before 1 month, I connected with a group, English learner group, and yesterday, like idea came in my mind. Let's connect with Manju Mishra, madam, because I was very eager to with you, and just send you an email, and you accepted. So I feel, oh my God,
Thank you.
how
Thank you so
so
much.
like generous, because nobody accepted in a very short period of time. Like they said, okay, like that. But you are very punctual, and in early morning you send the message. So from like since morning, I am waiting to connect with you.
And do you know, uh, when I replied to your email, the very same time I replied, I think, 9 more emails. And
Okay.
I gave them all the same timing, 12 o'clock. I thought one who will be ready at that time, I will first give him or her the chance, because I just had this slot free. I never had
Yeah.
another slots free. And then you said that yes, I'll be free, and by that time in the morning I found 4 5 more replies that, ma'am, yes, I'll be ready at 12, ma'am. I said, already I have booked a session, we can have a session later, because only one slot is every day free for me. So I somewhere accommodate, somehow I manage, like maybe after
Right.
class, soon after this I have another class now. So till 2:30 it goes like that only. But in between, when I get time, I feel like connecting with people to learn something. And more than everything, one video is ready for the channel too. This is also like viewers, they want to see something every day.
Yeah.
If I
Right.
don't
Right.
upload, then they start sending me message, ma'am, nowadays you are not uploading videos every day. Okay, so this is also our responsibility, because those who have subscribed to us, those who want to watch us on the screen every day, so at least one short or one long video, I also feel like uploading every day, and for that I need some content. And you have given me this opportunity to create such a wonderful content for the viewers. Thank you so much for sending me an email and investing your quality time for my channel. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. It was really a wonderful session. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, you.
Thank you, and bye
Thank.
bye. Bye.
Bye bye. Bye.
Bye bye.